All right, so have you ever tapped your screen twice and it just wakes up like magic? Or maybe you just want to lock your phone without touching the power button? Today I'm showing you how to enable or disable double tap to wake and lock. Okay, so you double tap, it wakes up, or you double tap and it locks your phone. So whether you're on a Samsung or another Android, or even if you have an iPhone, don't scroll away, because this is one of the features that makes using your phone so much easier once you know where to find it. It's not only convenient, it also helps protect your power button from constant use. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is, it should be the same for most Galaxy phones at least. So you have to go to settings. If you go to settings and you go to advanced features, sorry, turn this off. Sorry about that. All right, so go to settings and then advanced features here, and then you scroll and you select motion and gesture. Motions and gestures, right? And here you will toggle on and off, double tap to turn on screen. This, you turn it on or you turn it off here, and you do the same for the off. So you have to set one to turn on and you set one to turn off. Okay, so and then if you have other Android phones, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, Pixel, you now have to go to your settings and then to display, and then you look for gestures or tap to wake, or it has maybe double tap to sleep, and toggle on and off as needed. Okay, but note, some Androids may only support double tap to wake, not to lock. So if you don't see it, search for tap in your settings search bar. But if you have an iPhone, you go to your settings and then accessibility and then to touch, and you turn on tap to wake. So iOS currently supports tap to wake, but not double tap to lock. So so lock is done with the side button or assistive touch. Why this matters? It makes waking your phone easier when it's on a desk. It lets you lock your screen quickly without using the buttons, and it adds a smoother, faster experience to daily use. If this helped you, do not forget to hit that like button and share it with friends. And if you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe for more smartphone tricks. I'll try to post every week. Okay? Thank you.